Hi, this is Cami from NoBiggie.net, and today we're going to make Instant Pot potato salad. This is one of my favorite potato salad recipes, and it comes together really fast in the Instant Pot. First, we are going to place the diced and peeled potatoes inside the metal basket of the Instant Pot. And then we're going to place 4 hard-boiled eggs with the shell on right inside the Instant Pot. And then you're going to pour 2 cups of water over. And then we're going to put the lid on the Instant Pot, and we're going to set the steam release valve to sealing. That way no steam can escape. Then you'll set the timer for 4 minutes. You'll need to watch the Instant Pot come to pressure, so that takes a couple minutes, and then you'll start to see the countdown show on the timer. Once the 4 minutes is up, you will do a quick release on the steam and let the steam escape, and then you can take the lid off. Once inside, you'll want to use tongs to get the hard-boiled eggs out of the Instant Pot because they're hot. You'll put them right into a bowl of ice water. Then you will take out the potatoes and put them in a bowl and let them chill for a minute while you mix up the rest of your ingredients. Then for the sauce, you'll mix up mayo, mustard, sweet pickle relish, pickled juice, salt, pepper, onion powder, as well as diced bell pepper, diced celery. And then you'll mix this all together. You'll chop up the eggs, reserving 1 to slice to place over the top. Once the potatoes are chilled, you can toss it all together and then add the remaining sliced hard-boiled egg to the top, and then you'll sprinkle it all with smoked paprika. Then you'll let it chill in the fridge for an hour or so, and then you can serve. I think you're gonna love this recipe. It's one of my family favorites. For more information about this recipe, you can visit my site, NoBiggie.net.